Two cylinders A and B of equal capacity are connected to each other via stopcock. A contains an ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure. B is completely evacuated. The entire system is thermally insulated. The stopcock is suddenly opened. We have to find whether the process is isoporic, isobaric, isothermal, or adiabatic. The system is thermally insulated, so dq is equal to 0, which is the heat given to the system. When the stopcock is removed, the work done is 0, because in vacuum, the work done is 0. According to the first law of thermodynamics, dq is equal to du plus dw, so du is also 0. For an adiabatic process to take place, the system must be perfectly insulated from the surroundings, and the process must be carried out quickly, so there is sufficient amount of time for heat transfer to take place. According to our situation, both the conditions are satisfied, so the process will be adiabatic.